What's up, people? Welcome back to T Insurance this TV. Welcome back to another training video. So today in this training video, I know a lot of people is confused about how to add the picture on the template, on the template where it say congratulations every time you welcome member for Myecon. So this is the template. What you all going to do is add the picture. You want to edit this picture, okay? So you just going to take another picture, just put it on top and add a name to there, okay? So, what you're going to do is you want to download this app called PicsArt, okay? Download this app. Y'all definitely going to need this for your Myecon business, okay? This is the app. It's a photo editor app. You come here and design apps, and this is what I mostly use for my econ business and for my thumbnail for YouTube, okay? So it's a great app, good app, okay? So what y'all want to do is, y'all see how I got this person. I just put another picture on top of there. I'm going to show y'all how to do all that, okay? So, for my new members or for people that just started in Myecon, y'all definitely going to have to know how to do this, okay? So, what y'all want to do is download this app. Well, download this picture, download the template. It is in the group. Go to Six Figures my Econ Success group. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come scroll down here where it say add photo. You wanna add a photo. Say like I'm gonna use this photo here just to show y'all. So you're going to come scroll down here and find shape. Okay. Make sure it's the circle. That way it can fit into the template. Okay. So make sure you adjust it. Make sure the face, the full face there is on the picture. Okay. So you want to press save. And you just want to kind of zoom out and try to get it fit where it's, you know, kind of fit in the middle. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, then you want to press the little check mark. Okay, that's how it look. So you're going to come down here and scroll. You're going to put the text, and you're just going to put that person name. Okay, say like, just for example, I'm going to put my name, Sharinda. And you make sure you put their last name. Okay, my name is Sharinda Robinson. And you want to kind of stretch it out like that. And kind of zoom it in. Okay. And you're going to press done. Alright, that's how it look. You want to save the picture. Save it. And it's automatically saved on your phone. Alright. So if I went too fast, just rewind the video. Like I said, go download this template. Download this template from the group. And say like you go to somebody's Facebook profile. Okay. Make sure you go to their profile. Say like, okay, I'm going to go to my profile. You go to my profile, you can view the photo, and you can download that person picture, or you can ask them what picture they want to use, so you congratulate them on their timeline, on your timeline, or in the group. You just download the picture, save it. So what you want to do is go back to the app and add a photo. Add my picture there, and make sure you know it automatically gonna pop up like that. And you go to shapes. Scroll over to shapes and the circle. Make sure it's right there on my face. Okay. And save. And okay, make sure you want to kind of adjust it where it fit right there in the middle of the circle. And you put the person name, go to text, and just type in that person's first name and last name. And you want to welcome them. And you also want to welcome them. Okay, so you just save it. Just like I said, just save the picture. You know, just save it. It's automatically saved. So say like you welcome somebody on your page. Say like you do. Let me go to one of the posts of somebody that has signed up. Okay, say like for this one, say like you want to copy this, copy that, and you're going to post it on your wall. You're going to copy that. You can tag their name in there. Make sure you tag their name. Photo, go to photo and video, and you want to add the picture to your timeline. Bam. You know, so I'm going to do this where it say only me. Okay, so I can let y'all know how to do that part. Then you post it. Okay, you post it on your timeline. So pretty easy and simple, y'all. That's how you do it. All right. So for the group, what you do is you go to the 6-figure group, about the same in here, and you just kind of they got it in the training. Let me see. My thing kind of going a little slow here, but y'all bear with me. It's pretty easy and simple. You know, say like you copy this, come in the group, copy that, tag their name in, take that person name in out of there and replace it with the person name that you signed up. Just copy it. Okay, you see how they add the picture, and you're gonna come here and paste it. Make sure you tag that person name in, backspace, and I'm gonna put my name in there. And you come here and add the picture and post it in the group. So that's how it works, and that's how you get it done. It's for the new members, for the new people that don't know how to do this, do this part. Very easy and simple. It's not hard. Basically, that's pretty much it. So, and you want to do the same way in this group. If you're in this group, make sure, if you're not in this group, make sure y'all get added into this group. Okay, same way, copy that and add a picture. Add a picture there. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright, if this video had helped y'all out, leave a comment below of this video, and we will be back with another training video. Peace.